Welcome back to RV Road Report, your go-to destination for rugged rides, luxury on wheels, and life on the open road. If you live for adventure and believe the journey should be as epic as the destination, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something built to impress and engineered to conquer. The Frankia i7 camper van motorhome, powered by the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. With a sleek, vibrant white finish, rugged long body, and 4x4 wheels, this beast blends off-road strength with modern comfort. Buckle up, this tour is going to be next level. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on this front view of the Frankia i7, parked proudly at the official Mercedes-Benz showroom. That stunning, vibrant white body glows under the showroom lights, while the iconic Mercedes emblem and Frankia logo signal engineering excellence and next-gen design. The bold front grille, wide-angle headlights, and aerodynamic lines give an aggressive stance, like it's ready to roll into any terrain. This isn't just a van. It's your all-access pass to the outdoors in style. Top side view. Now let's go rooftop, where smart design meets self-sufficient travel. The top side of the Frankia i7 is equipped with integrated solar panels, keeping your batteries charged and eco-friendly power flowing wherever you park. Right alongside is a low-profile antenna for clear connectivity and a sleek roof-mounted air conditioning unit to keep you cool in any climate. It's like a command center on your roof. Sustainable, smart, and road-ready. Backside view. Let's swing around to the rear, where utility meets adventure. The Frankia i7's backside features a securely mounted spare tire, essential for those wild off-road journeys. Right below, a cycle carrier is fitted for your e-bike or mountain ride, ready for trails, city stops, or beach rides. The back doors are solid and secure, and the white finish carries through cleanly. This is the kind of setup that says, adventure? Bring it on. Side view. Moving to the side, this is where the campsite comes to life. Along the side of the Frankia i7, a fully retractable tent awning transforms into a shaded lounge area. Picture this. Camp chairs out, grill fired up, and your favorite drink in hand as the sun dips low. Whether you're at a national park or a hidden beach spot, this van turns every stop into a 5-star outdoor retreat. Your hotel? It's on 4 wheels now. Driving compartment. Slide into the cockpit. This is where tech meets control. The Frankia i7's driving compartment is crafted with the driver in mind. You got 2 large LED screens, one for GPS and infotainment, the other for a live rear camera feed to make backing up a breeze. Plush leather seats, ergonomic controls, and a panoramic view through the windshield make long drives a joy. It's like sitting in a luxury SUV with the power of a 4x4 home behind you. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the cockpit, you'll find a cozy yet clever sitting and sleeping zone. During the day, this area offers a comfortable L-shaped sofa with a central table perfect for meals, work, or cards. Come night, it effortlessly converts into a full-size bed, ideal for 2 adults. With ambient lighting, overhead cabinets, and thick cushions, this space is your relaxation hub after a day of adventuring. Kitchen, let's talk food, because road trips need good meals. The kitchen area in the Frankia i7 may be compact, but it's brilliantly designed. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, stainless steel sink, mini fridge, and ample cabinet space above and below. There's even a pull-out countertop for prepping meals, whether it's morning coffee or a full dinner. This van lets you cook like home, even in the wild. Washroom. Yes, there's a full washroom on board. And no, it's not a cramped corner. Tucked perfectly into the layout is a compact but complete wet bath featuring a toilet, a folding sink, and a mini shower head. Wall-mounted hooks, towel shelves, and a small skylight keep it functional and fresh. For a van of this size, the Frankia i7's bathroom design is a masterclass in space efficiency. And there you have it, the full tour of the Frankia i7 camper van motorhome by Mercedes-Benz. With a sleek, vibrant white exterior, 4x4 wheels, smart living space, and off-grid power features, this rig is ready for any terrain or dream road trip. And the price? just $134,000. An absolute steal for the innovation and luxury it brings. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. And as always, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next RV Road Report.